Dear students, teachers of NRV School of Excellence, Chilvila, Bihar, at present we are standing in the premises of the first residential university of the world, that is Nalanda University. This university was founded by Emperor Kumargupta I around 427, although the exact date is not known. This university flourished for over 800 years until it was destroyed in 1193 by Turkish Afghan Muslim invader Bakhtiyar Khilji. The destruction resulted catastrophic loss of knowledge. The killing of monks, scholars, students was a big setback of Indian civilization. In between 1193 to 1861, the name of this university was completely washed out by the then Muslim robbers and invaders. During the invasion in 1193, some students and monks escaped from Nalanda University with books to Tibet and China. In 1861, the Alexander Cunningham, who visited Tibet and China, rediscovered this university. According to the document, and Chinese students who visited and studied in the 7th century, Zhuangjiang and Yijing, university had 8 compounds, 427 halls, 72 lecture halls, 3 great libraries, the Ratn Sagar, Ratn Dadhi, Ratn Ranjka. The biggest library was Dharmganj, which was 9-story building which had 90 million books. When invaders set on fire to this library, its blaze reportedly lasted for 6 months. At its peak in the 7th century, approximately 10,000 students and 2,000 teachers who lived and studied on campus together. Chinese pilgrims and students, Zhuangjiang and Yijing, who visited and studied about 5 years in this university, have explained about the rigorous academic life. Learning at Nalanda was based around dialogue and debate. The students were encouraged to challenge teachers in open courtyards and defend their ideas in rigorous and oral discussions. About 64 subjects like mathematics, astronomy, medicine, Buddhism, Vedas, Sanskrit, grammar, philosophy, physics, politics, economics, fine art, sculpture, architecture, etc. attracted scholars from across Asia. This university was home to brilliant philosopher Nagarjuna and mathematician like Aryabhatta, who discovered zero. This university was state funded by Gupta, Harsha, and later on Pala dynasties. I am sorry to say that Turkish Afghan invader not only looted and burnt an entire Indian civilizations and knowledge, but also killed our scholars, students, to which the golden age from which the golden age of our country went into smoke. It is the Alexander Cunningham who rediscovered this university in 1861, and our Indian government worked on it, and as a result of it, it became the World Heritage in 2016. Thank you.
सिर्फ इंडिया से ही लोग नहीं सिर्फ यहाँ पढ़ने आते थे, यहाँ के लोग चाइना, जापान, कोरिया, श्रीलंका और दक्षिण एशिया से भी लोग पढ़ने आते थे। यहाँ पर सिर्फ ऐसी जानकारी नहीं दी जाती, खगोल विज्ञान, मेडिसिन के बारे में और अदर जानकारी भी दी जाती थी। गणित पढ़ाया जाता था। यहाँ के आर्यभट्ट थे जो जीरो का आविष्कार दिए थे, ये भी यहीं के स्कॉलर थे, यहीं पढ़ाते थे उन स्कॉलर्स को।
पढ़ता था लोग। चलो
सर ये क्या है?
ये मॉन्क सब जो है ना उसके लिए है। इसी पर पढ़ाई लोग करता था, विद्यार्थी लोग जो है।
मंदिर के नाम होगा। चल सलोने के अरे छोड़ दो अरे यहाँ ना गाड़ी में चलिए। सर वो क्या है? मुझे खींचिए ना। अरे
क्या है?
लाइब्रेरी 3 गो लाइब्रेरी था ना।
ना लाई रही तो मुंह पर घिच घिच ना।
अरे यार वो चेक वेक कर रहा है, एक तरह का KYC है बस तेरी।
आप कहाँ जाए जीवन?
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
दीवार है कहाँ?
इसमें से
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, सुरक्षा के दृष्टिकोण से यात्रा के दौरान अगला बदली करना कोविड के कुछ स्टेशनों को बदले जाने पर बड़ी से
चलो घूमने चलो, दूर से खींचो थोड़ा सा। चप्पल सर कहीं चेक सर